yourself a fire marshal? Well, we've got some training coming up to train you in how to use one of these bad boys on the 24th of June. So if you're interested in that, to help us keep people safe here in the building and to volunteer with that, then why not speak to one of the team or simply sign up on Church Suite for this event that's going to be happening to get trained up as a fire marshal.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You are my hope, even in the middle of the darkest storm. Yeah, 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 yeah.
On the 25th of June at 12 noon here at Hickman Park, we're going to be doing Hope in the Park, a community outreach event for everyone to come along and have a great time. So we're going to be partnering with local churches and local schools to make it a great event for everyone. You might remember we had it here last year. It may be in the other side, we don't know yet, but it's going to be a great time here at this park together. So don't forget to bring a picnic, and also if you're interested in volunteering, because we're going to need people to help us on the day, then do get in touch with Dan, speak to him directly, and we'd love to have you help serve on that day as well for the community. So put that in your diaries for Hope in the Park.
Somehow the way that brought me down has brought me to my knees to see that it's all been a blessing. 'Cause you are my hope, 'cause you've always been there before. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This week, but don't forget this week on Wednesday is prayer and Bible study, so we'll be seeing you there at 7:30 here at Excel Church. Have a great week, guys.